This is the V in. It's a practice to write unregulated. Now I don't have time, so I'm not writing it. This is not regulated. These are always you write. It's unregulated. So there's a VZ. Put like this here. So as usual, it will work. Now this particular Zener diode, will it work out or not? Who will determine? You remove Zener diode. You remove this Zener diode. And measure this voltage. We'll call usually V. Let me write only V. I'll measure this voltage. How to measure this voltage? Potential divider formula. V equal to V in RL by RS plus RL. Positive, negative. If VZ, if V is greater than or equal to VZ, Zener diode is on. Zener diode will operate in breakdown and Zener diode is on. If this V is less than VZ, what do you mean by on and off? Not in breakdown. The Zener diode is on means will be in breakdown region. There's a meaning. Again, don't take it in other way. Off means okay, it will vanish. Not vanish. Not in breakdown region. There's a one primary way of checking the Zener diode, will it suitable for not or not. So what to do? Remove the Zener diode, check it, the drop across the load, because what the drop across the load, that will drop across the Zener diode, no? Will I agree this? I could have written VL, I'm just writing only V. So all determines like how much VL needed, how much VL needed. That depends upon equipment, how much mobile needed, 5 volt, how much television needed, 18 volt. That's what the VL. Again, don't think that VZ will determine VL. No, the VL will determine VZ. So I'll calculate the VL. Then I know what is unregulated supply, unregulated voltage supply which is available. Then I'll suitably say VL and RL are fixed here. For any given experiment, VL and RL are fixed here. Then this is available. Suitably, I'll choose the value of RS. Then I'll begin. Then what type of Zener diode I should pick up? The Zener diode, if you want to use for as a regulator, so you should see that V should be greater than VZ here. Then the Zener diode will get operated in breakdown region. Getting this idea? What do you mean by off? Off means it is not in breakdown region. If not in breakdown region, it cannot use as regulator. See, what is the purpose of Zener diode? It should regulate. Sir, why I don't want it to regulate? Then instead of this, you use ordinary diode. What is the cost of Zener diode? 5 rupees. Ordinary diode. 1 rupee. Okay, use 1 rupee and you'll get a varying brightness. Then instead of Zener diode, put ordinary diode. Then you enjoy the show. You enjoy the television program. Brightness increasing, decreasing, volume increasing, decreasing. Okay, that's fine. So what type of, how you want, we want a constant power. So therefore I'm thinking like this here. So the Zener diode which I'm bringing, because it can only regulate, nobody is there. This cannot regulate, this cannot regulate, this cannot regulate. TV on its own, sir, automatic TVs are imported or exported, any TV. It cannot do regulation on no. Through Zener diode only regulation is possible. Got the idea now? So who is very important here for regulation? Zener diode, not any other thing. Got the idea? There's a firm thing. This is, I think, he has discussed some in CBSE books. Not just, he said like a the Zener voltage, that the Zener diode which to be used, what happen, has to be